In the early days of Taiwan's forestry, officials used forest resources to help create an economic miracle. When forestry shifted its focus to conservation, these officials embraced all creatures of the forest and became the guardians of this rich and diverse environment. The phenomenon of global warming has created a crisis for the conservation of nature. Over half of Taiwan is covered by forests. Forestry Bureau staff are the guardians of this green island and are committed to ensuring that it always remains green. Taiwan is located on the southeastern edge of the Eurasian continental plate. It has an area of 36,000 square kilometers. The forces that pushed it out of the ocean raised up over 250 peaks that exceed 3,000 meters in height. The forces that have molded this island over the millennia have given it many distinctive features. In the course of its geological development, Taiwan has experienced 4 ice ages. The retreat of the ice left behind species such as the Formosan salamander, which have survived through tens of thousands of years and continue to inhabit Taiwan's forests, enhancing its biodiversity by their presence. Because Taiwan is a mountainous island cut off from the continent, many species that live here are endemic to the island. Although located in the subtropics, its high mountains mean that it has tropical, subtropical, temperate, and frigid climatic conditions. In addition, Taiwan's high humidity means that although small in size, tropical to frigid zone vegetation can be found here. Forests are the lifeblood of Taiwan, and the quality of forestry management determines the success or failure of the industry. The Forestry Bureau, which is responsible for the sustainability of Taiwan's forests, has always been the forest's best friend and partner. In 1999, Taiwan Forestry Bureau was reorganized under the central government, with 8 forest district offices and an aerial survey office under its management. Its mission in the new era was protecting forests, administering national forests, conserving habitat and biodiversity, managing ecosystems, and creating an integrated natural resource and ecosystem database. In the natural world, the chances that a seed will grow into a forest are very slim. Only by selecting good quality seeds can a healthy forest be nurtured. Every autumn, foresters climb to the top of the trees to collect autumn fruit among the tender leaves. With these, they can sustain the forest and even ensure the survival of endangered species. By preserving seeds, the process of extinction can be reversed. The focus of the Bureau's policy of afforestation is on foresting hillsides and extending forested areas along the coast and in the plains. Creating a green corridor along the west coast is also a priority for improving quality of life in Taiwan. In pursuing this policy, the Bureau actively engages in afforestation, creating greener and more appealing rural spaces for outdoor recreation, vitalizing Taiwan's green resources through tourism development in rural plains areas. At the same time, it also plants the seeds of future forests.